Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. I post several shopping videos a day, so be sure to subscribe to join the shopping squad. I'm here in the ladies' tops, and I see a lot of cute blouses. This one's by the brand Tiffany in gray. A $9 shirt that has a little cactus on it, or cacti. That's so cute. I love that. A BB shirt for $11. It feels real slinky. Here's a Ralph Lauren polo for $17. $11 blouse. A $10 cream colored button up. Here's a cute Guess shirt. And a red one for $13. Another BB. It has that slinky feel to it. I think it's going to be kind of clingy. So what I'm looking for summer are like oversized t-shirts. And that's mainly what I'm looking for. Like, I just want to be comfortable this summer. I did see in my Target shopping video that I think I'm going to have out sometime this week, or it might already be out. But I saw some cute sleeveless tops with a cap sleeve, and it's like a lace cap sleeve. I really liked those because I don't really like sleeveless, but if you get one with a cap sleeve, it's like you can have sleeveless without the look of a sleeveless. This one's cute with the little bicycles on it. This little dusty rose one is cute. This one has little peaches on it. That's so cute. So I think I'm going to head over to the dresses, and I also want to make my way to the shoes eventually. So I'm going to just look at what dresses they had, because I had a Burlington dress video out one time, and I want to see if they have any new ones. This one's cute. It says Good Vibes. It almost looks like a big t-shirt, but I guess it's like a t-shirt dress. And they randomly have these pajamas, but they are cute. So now I'm here at the shoe section. See what shoes they have that are new. These look fun. They're by the brand Mud. They're $10. I like how colorful they are. And these are cute. They kind of look tie-dye. They're BB brand for $9. And some Guess slides for $15. And these BB slides look very comfortable for $15. I also saw those in white. And some Guess flip-flops. Some Juicy Couture flip-flops.